this class, we will be recalling and remembering what we learned in our previous session. With respect to animals around in our locality, here we shall have an activity. Can you find these animals in your locality? If yes, put right mark in the box. The first animal given here is sheep. Can we see this animal in our locality? Yes, we can see sheep. We have seen this in our excursion to the village too. Next animal or bird is crow. We can see this too. We have seen this on the tree in the village we went earlier. What about donkey? Can we see this nowadays? This animal has become rare. So, let us put wrong mark over here. Next animal here is goat. We are able to see goat even today, right? So, we have put a right tick here. Now, let us know names of some animals. Squirrel, lizard, pig, housefly, monkey, pigeon, peacock, rabbit, frog, in this class, we have learnt names of few animals that are around us. We shall learn more about them in our next class.